Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do on Halloween makeup. It's simple, but I'm gonna do on scary look. So actually I'm gonna do on this look. What they call? Yeah, this look. I already did my basic makeup. I'm done with my eyelash. So next I'll do nose, contour. I'll do contour. Without doing a little bit. Mom is going. Mom is going. Just around two. Lowering control ba? My contouring part is done. I fade it back to the middle. Okay, let's start with the look. I'm gonna use color for this. I don't have the makeup color. So I'll use with this color. Oh, I don't know. Okay. I think yeah, they're doing this one. I think they're using from here. And here. Yeah, I'll try this part. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Simple. I'll use my brush. I don't know how I'll be able to do it or not, but let me try. Let me try. Yeah. It looks easy, but when I apply it I'll do the brown boundary first, so it will be easy on for me also. Oh my. I'm scared. I'll not apply here. I'll apply two layer. I can kasi ito kung na I think. Oh no. Actually, I have to put the orange color first on my my half of my face, but I already did this black color one, so it will be hardest for me to do this look. But I don't want to remove again, so I'll just apply here. Untuk selanya. Can I remove again? It will be easier for me. I already removed. God, it's going inside my eyes. Shit. No. I already removed with water, but it's not going. So I'm going to do with this cleanser. I don't want to wash fully, so I don't want to do again from the beginning. So I'm doing the cleanser, but I don't. There's no more background. It's done. Oh, orange. I don't have exact orange color, so I'm going be mixed with white. No, I have to mix with red and yellow. So I will use a big brush. So you take it for me. Show you. No, it's going to be choke. Maybe you come on. Jeez. Looks orange for me. Yeah, it's already. Okay. It's okay, I'll apply. I'm going to apply this full out. It's falling down. Oh, it's not just like lots of mosquitoes going to bite me. Oh shit. It's so hard to put near my eyes. It looks so easy to do, but when I apply, it's so difficult. I look like monkey, is it? Oh, it's so hard for me to get this. I hope it turns out well. So I'm gonna do the black color part. I'm gonna do the second attempt. My sister voice is more louder than me, right? My background noise. Ignore it. Yeah, actually she's playing PUBG. I hope you understand. PUBG players are so noisy in our house, you know. No, every time.
Ada mana sudah sange, mana sudah sange, ada yang selalu tahu di perang tu, ada yang mana sudah kalah, ira apa sih nama dia, ada ira apa macam ni gudi jago, gudi itu pun
I can do it still. I
deh,
will.
itu gudi sama lah, ada kada hal ramai. Aduh, jadi dia mana dah, mau ini sama. Aduh mana ini thani tentang mau ini. thani dan gadong alam ko ng kaya. Ado niya yun, mas chibo yung parang ano ko guys?
I'll speed up.
Kautado sundaya kan nangyari ko. Sao kan eh. Kautado ulang ilog na.
Why there's lots of mosquito here?
Okay.
See, it's pretty. I look like pumpkin set. Oh no, it's not coming out well. Pinkos. I hope you look like How is my outcome, guys? I try my best to look similar with this. Actually, it's funny on me, or it's like it's scary. I hope it's not scary at all. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna do more exciting videos in my next upcoming videos. So don't forget to press the bell icon. So see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.